So this evening, we basically cleared out the whole salon, the galley salon area. Ron rolled up the rug and took it up on the fly bridge. Just the extra pillows I keep on the couch. Removed all of that stuff out of the salon because tomorrow, bright and early, Trawler Tom is going to be coming to our boat. So yeah, he's going to be doing a rebuild on our engine, which will be awesome when it's finished. A huge chunk of money going out that we weren't really planning on right now, but I guess, it's a boat that happens. But the rebuild on the engine hopefully will help get rid of our oil leaks, the burning oil smell when we're underway. Maybe it'll make it a little quieter. I have no idea, but I'm holding, not gonna hold my breath, I guess, but I'm hoping that it will help with some of the volume of the engine noise. Let's see what else. Speed, maybe pick up a little bit of speed, because we should be able to do a little bit better with our RPMs anyway. So that's what's going to be happening with us for the next week or so. And I'm going to try to stay out of their way.
Hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us cruising this old boat.
This is the main water supply coming from the freshwater pump, and it goes to this mana block where it's split out to all the different fixtures, with hot being red and cold being blue. So what I want to do is I want to tap into this and put a T on it. Either pop this elbow off and put the T there, or cut here and put a T in, and then we'll take that and run to the freshwater washdown that I'm hooking up. Wow, that's a 1 1/16 inch wrench. And a 1 1/4 on the other side. I just bought all this wrench set, so I didn't have these kind of big wrenches before, so I'm excited I get to use them right away. Our experience in the Bahamas taught me I don't want to get caught out in the middle of nowhere with no access to the right tools. So I went out and started buying the right tools to make sure I had them. For our next trip to the Bahamas.
Let's see if we can get this to feed all the way down. So we're gonna go back down to the engine room and hook up the other end. Owning a boat is not for the claustrophobic. But now we got water. Yay!
Yay! Freshwater for rinsing or whatever.
One more project done.
Basically, while I've been visiting with family here in Jacksonville, Ron's been working on the punch list back at the boat. He has crossed off a lot of things. He's been working basically from morning till night. You having fun yet?
Oh, loads. So our air conditioner quit working last night, and it had the symptoms of just being a clogged sea strainer, because when that happens and water quits flowing through the air conditioner has an over temp protection that shuts it down, but shuts the compressor down, but the fan keeps running, and that's what was going on. And so I got up this morning and took apart the sea strainer, and it definitely was nasty, and I cleaned that out, put it all back together. Still didn't work. So then I started checking hoses. You just start taking things apart and seeing if water's getting to that point. And I got to the pump, and water would go through the pump without the pump running, but when you turn the pump on, it wasn't pumping water, so it was just pressure from the being below sea level that was pushing the water through it. So I had to go out to West Marine, buy a new pump, and that's what I'm doing now, is installing the pump. Okay, after quite a few days and a lot of noise and a lot of starts and stops and etc., we are ready to fire up the engine, and hopefully she'll fire up. So let's see.
Try again. Yeah, keep going, keep cranking. It's getting fuel right now. We're getting fuel already. Whoa.
Well, as often happens, it was a no-go. We'll figure it out. All right, we got all the injectors out and we're getting ready to test it to see if that was the problem. He said it's going to spray stuff everywhere, so he's got some of my white absorbent cloths here to try to prevent it from making too big of a mess. So let's try it out. Jake?
Yeah, go ahead.
Move this thing on me, I'm stumbling on it. All right. Whoa! Yeah. It hit the ceiling up here.
Yeah. Yeah.
And shook the breaker.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, let's get some.
All right.
That is one heck of a squirt gun. Man.
Well, we would put a plastic bag over it or something, huh?
Yeah, I'll have to get the tarp out.
All right, try it again. We'll just keep trying until the fire's not. I mean, it's